Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today is part 2 of my Rustler rebuild. And today we are going to be installing the wheels and tires on it. So before I even have to do that, I have to install these wheel hexes, and I'm going to install the battery bar too, just because it's something easy and something we can do right away. So let's get to installing these new wheels and tires. Before we get to install the wheels and tires, if you haven't seen my video where I overviewed everything that I'm going to be putting in the car, make sure to go back and check that out. But before I put on the wheels and tires, I'm going to be putting on the battery bar. So, got the battery bar right here. Just need to open it up. And since the posts are already on the car, and this comes with posts too, I'm going to just save the posts in case I don't know I need them. But, I mean, this is as simple as it can get. Like that. And like that. And like that. That's it. The battery bar is installed. Pretty easy. Let me see if a battery fits in there. I have a feeling it's not gonna fit, but we'll see. And there's a bird in my garage, and it just flew out. I don't know if you guys heard that. Ooh, doesn't fit this way, but it should fit this way. Yep. So let's see. Oh, I can't pick up the freaking clip. Push it down. Oh. Let me see. Hold on. I need to rotate those posts so that they go the other way. There they go. That one's rotated. That one's rotated. And I lost the other clip as well. Don't know. Oh, it's right here. Didn't lose it. Okay. I can't pick up these damn clips. Oh, there we go. Alright. Battery bar on. One clip. Come on. There you go. God dang it. I have no nails to pick them up. And the second one. There you go. It fits. I had to flip over the battery bar because I don't know if you guys can see that. There's like a little hump right there. I guess it's supposed to help keep the battery down, like a little spacer, but it fits flipped up the other way. And I just had to turn the posts. So yeah, look at that. The battery fits fine. We should be all good to go. So let me take this out. Now we're going to install the front wheel hexes. Just going to open these up real quick. Okay. And it comes with the pins too that go on here. Let me see. Get this washer back. And then I'm going to, look. See that hole right there? That's where the pins go in. So I'm just going to put a pin in. There we go. I got to take off this nut first. Hold on. So I could put the wheel hex on. This would probably be easier to do on the stand. I'll get the stand right now. Just got it. There we go. Okay. That's in. Where's the stand? Oh, it's right here. Alright, so I got that wheel hex on. That one's all good to go. Let me, let's go to the other side. Switch the car around. And let's get this wheel hex on. Okay, let's Just gotta take off this nut. Pin is in. Oh. Another wheel hex. There we go. And the wheel hex is on. Okay. Now that we got those on, we could actually put the big exciting part on, which is the tires. So it's on the hex. Now just get the wheel nut and a socket that will go on the wheel nut. Like that. Ooh. And just, that's all it is. There. It's all good to go. So now let's go to the other side. Okay, all in. Nut. There you go. All done. Now we're gonna go to the rears. All right, and for the rears, of course, I'm running the Duratrax 6-pack STs. So is the wheel? Oh crap! I gotta find a pin. I forgot the pin fell out of that one. Oh, there's one right here. Okay. Okay, I got the pin. Take this nut off first. Okay. Pin. Then the wheel hex. And then the wheel. Or the tire. I'm just gonna thread this on. There we go. There's the tire, guys. Ooh, it's starting to actually look like a complete truck now. Okay, let's go to the other side. So we're gonna take the nut off. The pin should already be in here. Yeah, this one already has the pin. Okay, that's off. Get the other tire. And now put this tire in. Right there. It's your nut driver. There we go. That tire is all on. So I got all 4 tires on now, and look at that. Ooh. We finally got a roller. Look at that. Look at each of the tires. Ooh. I like how that's looking. I like how that's looking. Alright, well that's going to be it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and look how good this is starting to come out. Woo, I'm excited. I'm very excited. But thank you for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.